started. From afar, the train blew its whistle to signal the cow to cross the tracks faster, but it doesn't consider it a danger signal. So the result will happen like this. And even this. However, I was surprised by the scene of people accidentally walking past the camera lens in this video. It's really impressive. Don't they prohibit people from walking under the tracks? In another instance, a bird flying low to the ground met a tragic fate as the train rushed toward it at high speed, feathers scattering in the air.